This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the essentials, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, because Airdrop uses both radios to create a secure peer link. Once done, open Control Center and set Airdrop to contacts only or everyone depending on who receives it. Contacts only limits visibility, everyone speeds pairing. Make sure both devices are unlocked and awake so discovery works. If one screen is locked, the sender may not see it. This gets you into immediate discovery and ready for the next step. You now pick the content to send, a photo, document, or link, because Airdrop shares directly from the app. Tap the share icon, then locate the Airdrop row and tap the recipient's avatar. This signals the other device to accept. While waiting, the system negotiates a direct encrypted connection for speed and privacy. If credentials or contacts matter, choose contacts only so it verifies identities. Otherwise, use everyone for quick transfers. Stay near the recipient until you see the accept. You finish by having the recipient tap accept. Airdrop then delivers the file to the correct app automatically, like photos for images or files for documents. Once transferred, verify the item in notifications or open the receiving app. If something goes wrong, first make sure both devices remain unlocked and close together, then toggle Airdrop or temporarily switch to everyone. As a final step, restart Bluetooth/Wi-Fi or reboot the device. That resolves most discovery and handshake failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.